No one asked you. Okay. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing our AEM Boost Gauge, and that'll go right with the wideband sensor that's already installed. So let's get this thing put in. Alright, so we're just going to do a little unboxing here of it real quick. Alright, here's the gauge. Looks like it's all on the bottom there. Got our instructions. Connectors, rubber band, some airline, connectors, there we go, we figured it out. Okay. First things first, take off our negative cable to the battery so we don't get any shocky or anything like that, so that won't be fun. Alright, first thing done. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna drill that hole a little bit bigger and put a grommet in it and fix that temporary fix, and that way we can run all the wires and everything we need to through that way. So let's get that going. Got the grommet put in, the hole drilled, ran the wires. Don't know exactly where we're gonna put everything yet. But ran the wires through our pod and then down through the back, through the side of the steering column, and we'll match up the power wire with this power wire and the ground wire with the ground wire. We'll do that once we figure out where we're going to mount the sensor. Let's get that figured out real quick. Alright, we're going to prep the sensor. Pull the nipple off there. I'm going to put some tape around it to make sure we get a good seal. Good and tight. Alright, I almost forgot, we got to make this little hole fit into here so it don't fit. So what we've got to do, we got to drill it out. Oops. Drill it out and then make it fit. I just go kind of slow. Put the drill bit in as far as I want it to go and kind of hold it there as tight as I can, and just run the drill to hollow it out and pull it out. And hopefully that's enough there. Yuck. Let's see. Do we make it fit? Oh yeah. It's gonna go. There we go. Good tight fit there. Alright, now to find a place for it to sit in the car. So Tyler came down and decided that we're gonna place the sensor right here, and we're gonna zip tie it to here. And he's gonna help me since my shoulder's really bothering me, so go ahead and get that zip tied on there, Ty. Now that Tyler got this put together, this is just a temporary fit for now until I can have my buddy maybe fabricate me something to hold that on to the carb over here on the cowl or something. All right, so I'm thinking what we're gonna do, we're just gonna tee into this vacuum line here, and Tyler's gonna do that. So go ahead, Ty. Okay. All right, then we're putting the T in.
This here.
Yep. So measure it. Want it back here like this.
Okay.
Okay, so cut it here.
There we go.
Okay. Sorry, the battery died. Tyler went ahead and he plugged in the sensor. Now we're going to push all the extra wire down underneath into the car, and then we'll get it wired up. Going to be connecting our power wire here and our ground wire here. So I'll cut this off here. All right, just pretty much one last thing to do. You got to put the rubber band around the end here, so that way it'll stick in the mount. Oops. Oh, butter. All right, plug it in. Alright, then try and get this as straight up and down as you can. Nothing like a tilted, out of whack gauge. Ow! There we go. There, it clipped into place. Alright. Now just one last thing to do, connect the battery and see if I did it right. Alright, now that we got the battery all connected and everything, let's see if we got anything to work here. I hooked it up right. Yes. So that was a pretty straightforward install. The hardest part was just routing the wires and getting them all tucked up underneath and out of the way so it looked nice and clean. Hopefully this video helped some of you guys out. Go ahead and hit the like, comment down below, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.